Samsung has unveiled its next-generation ultra-premium laptop, the Galaxy Book 4 Ultra. Along with the usual specs bump for better performance, the new laptop brings some other improvements, including a touchscreen display, improved power efficiency, improved cooling, and faster charging. Galaxy Book 4 Ultra has improved performance, longer battery life. The Galaxy Book 4 Ultra is powered by the 14th Gen Intel Core Ultra 9 CPU, up to 64GB LPDDR5X RAM, and up to 2TB of PCIe NVMe SSD. For graphics processing, the laptop has a dedicated GPU, just like its predecessor, which was launched earlier this year. The Galaxy Book 4 Ultra comes with an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4050 laptop GPU with 6GB GDDR6 VRM or an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 470 laptop GPU with 8GB GDDR6 VRM, depending on the variant you choose. There is an additional SSD slot for storage expansion. The entry-level variant of the laptop features a 14th Gen Intel Core Ultra 7 CPU, 16GB RAM, and 512GB SSD. Intel's new processors offer faster performance and a built-in NPU for faster on-device AI processing. It includes more than 100 ISVs, independent software vendors, that offer AI capabilities, including the ability to create images in seconds with simple text prompts. Samsung has added a touchscreen to a 16-inch OLED display on Galaxy Book 4 Ultra. Samsung's new laptop features a gorgeous 16-inch Dynamic AMOLED 2X screen with QHD resolution 2928 by 1800 pixels, a 16:10 aspect ratio to fit more content, 400 nits of brightness, 120% DCI-P3 color gamut coverage, and a 48/120Hz refresh rate. The Galaxy Book 4 Ultra has a 2MP webcam, studio-quality microphones with AI-based noise cancelling, AKG, tuned quad speakers with Dolby Atmos, and Bluetooth LE audio. The South Korean firm claims that it has improved the onboard speakers and they now offer rich bass and high octaves. When paired with the Galaxy Buds 2 Pro,